In this video, I'm going to tell you why Duolingo icon looks sad and old. So as you can see on my screen is a screenshot where you can see the sad Duolingo icon, and it's definitely not looking like it should be, and it usually does. Now, many people have speculated that this happens when you lose your streak and you haven't used your app for quite a while, or there's a lot of notifications like on my screenshot over here. But this is actually not a problem. So there's been people who had 200 plus days of streak and things like that and use the app regularly, yet their Duolingo app, or so the Duolingo bird called Duo, was still sad. Now the way to fix this is simply by going to the App Store or to your Google Play Store, whichever phone you're using or whichever device you're using. So you want to go to where you downloaded the app, and then you want to simply update it, and then once it's updated and the update has been installed onto your phone, you will see that Duolingo bird is no longer sad and is looking good again as it was before. Now why this happened is not known yet, but I guess the developers will reveal it very soon. So I hope this video helped you out, and have a good one.